How to earn coins in Wattpad. Here's how to collect Wattpad coins using built-in features, no subscriptions or payments required. Step 1. Tap the gift icon at the top of the Wattpad home screen. You can usually earn up to 3 coins per day by watching short video ads, 1 coin per ad. Step 2. Inside the same menu, tap Earn Coins or Coin Offers. These include tasks like installing apps or answering surveys. Offers vary by region and availability. Step 3. If ads aren't loading, try closing and reopening the app or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. It usually resets the ad system. Step 4. Some users report losing access to coin earning features after updating. If that happens, try reinstalling or wait for a fix in a future update. Just a little heads up, you can earn a few coins per day, which adds up over time. It's a slower way to unlock premium stories, but completely free and built into the app. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.